Hello and welcome to a new episode from Zyxel Support Campus. Today we want to introduce the WRE6605. It's a very compact repeater that can enhance your wireless at home with a better performance and a better coverage. Let's see what is inside the box. The very eco-friendly box that consists mainly out of cardboard is simple unpacked. It contains the device and the multilingual installation guide. The device shows on the front side the LEDs and the synchronization button. On the other side you find the Ethernet connection and the system switch, and the device is assembled with a EU power plug. To install the device, you need an app that can help you to find the best position in your network, and how you can install it. Let's have a look. Download the Zyxel Easy Link app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Make sure the device system switch is set to repeater modus. Next step is to install the device in a power socket in the near neighborhood of your wireless router. When you start the EasyLink app, it will automatically detect the repeater and start configuring it. Later, when the device is already installed, you place it in a power socket where you need to have better coverage of your wireless. Once the app has detected the device, it requires you to push the synchronization button. Next step is to enter the key for the SSID access. Now the EasyLink app synchronizes the settings of your wireless router with the repeater device. In the next step, the application will save the settings to your repeater device. Once the device is ready, you can remove it from the socket and bring it to the blind spot where you need better wireless coverage. The goal is to install the device halfway between the router and the area where you need a better wireless. Now you should see a much better coverage of your wireless in the area where you want it. Allow the device to boot up in the new position before you access it with the application again. The different colors of the status LED shows you the speed of the connection. In case the LED shows orange or red, you need to find a closer position to your wireless router to get better coverage. When successfully installed, the device shows this as a status page in the app. Visit our website under zyxel.com products extenders to get more information about the device. For example, the opportunity to install it as an access point. This little box of brilliance helps to extend your wireless in a very easy way. All details about the product and where you can buy it you can find on the product page. Besides the network topology, you can also find documentation and specification of the product. For any question about the product, visit us on support.zyxel.eu. You can find more than 600 help desk documents and the contact to the support team. I also remind you to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our new episodes. We are done with our episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss any of our new episodes. Also, you can follow us on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.
Zyxel product videos are helpful for you, then subscribe to the channel and check one of our playlists.